Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys um latest Valentine's Day code in Heartopia and how you can redeem that. So go to your watch and go to settings. There is a redeem code button. Select it, and I'm just going to paste the code redeem, and you're just going to go to your mailbox to check on the rewards. You will get 5 roses and some sparklers and a firework. Claim, and that is it. You're able to then, I think, are able to give it. I'm not sure actually, and I don't really want to waste it. Actually, what? Actually, what? Actually, you know what? I will waste it on that person. Whoever that person is, you're getting a rose because I don't have anyone. So I'm just gonna press up and see what it does. Okay, I guess you just spread the love like that, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!